Hello viewers, this is Azharul Rafy once again. Welcome to this new video where I'm going to show you how to make a bootable pen drive to unbootable normal pen drive. So first of all, connect your pen drive to your computer. So I am connecting mine and here it is connected. Let me show you here. This is a multi-boot file. I have got Windows set up on this bootable pen drive, and now first of all I have to format this pen drive. Okay, so click on right button of your mouse, then click on format, and then click on start formatting, and here we go. In warning, everything will be erased, so I want to get everything erased, so clicking on OK. Now click on close. Now it's time to open your Windows command prompt. So go here on the search button, then click CMD or write CMD, and here is command prompt. Open this one, and here on this window you have to write diskpart, DISKPART, hit enter, and a pop-up window will be appeared. Click on yes, and then here on the disk part we have to write list disk to get all the disk we have got on our computer. And here we go, we have got two disks. One is our internal hard drive, which is 1 TB on my computer, and the second one is disk one, which is my pen drive. It's showing 14 GB, although it's a 16 GB pen drive. Okay, so be careful on selecting this disk. Okay, because if you select your original or actual internal pen drive, then all of your computer data will be removed. Okay, so be careful on this. I have to select the external pen drive. Okay, so I'm going to write SEL select, then disk 1, which is here, then hit enter, and disk 1 is now the selected disk. And now I have to put the command clean, CLEAN, and then hit enter, and diskpart succeeded in cleaning the disk. And now it's time to exit the prompt window, okay, or command window. So type EXIT and hit enter. So it's done, and then click on this cross button to close. Now our pen drive is cleaned and formatted. It's time to go to this Windows bar and then click on right button of your mouse, go to disk management, and it's loading. Here is our removable pen drive, which is unallocated. We have to assign or we have to make a new volume. To do this, we have to click on this and then click on right button, click on new sample volume, and then we have to click on next. Then here is the details of the database, the data size. Okay, so I'm going to click on next, and then so here assign any letter to your pen drive. So let me put it as it is, H, and click on next, and then click on next. Everything is fine here automatically, so click on next and then click on finish. And it's working, and here we go, we have got our pen drive. So new volume H, as you can see. So let's move back. Here it is, new volume H, healthy primary partition. So now our pen drive is a unbootable normal pen drive. Okay, so let me show you here. Here it is, everything is okay, free. All right, so this is the process of making a bootable pen drive to unbootable pen drive. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if you have found this video helpful, please like this video. Let me know if you have any question. If you want to learn freelancing or online earning methods, then please subscribe to my channel to get more videos from where you'll be able to learn. Okay, so I have to see you in the next video. Thank you very much.